Hi guys, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Pawan. So in this tutorial I am going to show you fixing this screen flickering problem of your Samsung M52 5G device. So let's start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay friends, when this happen, you are not required to do anything that official mobile repairing guys are telling, which means you are not required to flash the main board or do anything without trying this simple trick. You need to remove the back panel of the phone and then you need to remove the middle frame. Now here we have our phone, and here I am requesting you to get a cello tape and cover these areas on the downside of this middle frame. If you don't have a new middle frame, you can see I have bought a new one from AliExpress. I will put the link for this middle frame also in the description of this video, or you can cover these areas using a cello tape. In here you might see some connectors to your speaker. Don't cover them, you only need to cover this one and these three. Okay friends, when it comes to here, you can see I'm able to fix the problem of screen flickering on Samsung M52 5G. You can see I can take phone calls normally without having any problems like screen flickering. Let's try to browse internet with this phone. You can see my connection is working successfully. So with that I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.